Which is the longest distance covering train in India? A. Rajdhani Express, B. Shatabdi Express, C. Vivek Express. Correct answer is C. Vivek Express. Which animal has a black tongue? A. Cow, B. Giraffe, C. Dog. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. Which is the country where there is not a single river? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Qatar, C. Bahrain. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which bird can use its brain? A. Pigeon, B. Crow, C. Sparrow. Correct answer is B. Crow. What is India's rank in milk production? A. First, B. Second, C. Third. Correct answer is A. First. Which is the oldest language in the world? A. Sanskrit, B. Tamil, C. Greek. Correct answer is B. Tamil. Do you know when India's national emblem was officially adopted? A. January 26, 1950, B. August 15, 1947, C. October 2, 1948. Correct answer is A. January 26, 1950. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River, B. Nile River, C. Yangtze River. Correct answer is B. Nile River. In which country was the internet first used? A. United States of America, B. United Kingdom, C. France. Correct answer is A. United States of America. Where is the longest railway platform in the world? A. Gorakhpur, India, B. Kharagpur, India, C. Grand Central Terminal, New York. Correct answer is A. Gorakhpur, India. Which creature lives the longest? A. Tortoise, B. Elephant, C. Whale. Correct answer is A. Tortoise. On which day is Hindi Divas celebrated? A. September 14th, B. January 26th, C. August 15. Correct answer is A. September 14. Do you know which is the capital of Maharashtra state? A. Pune, B. Mumbai, C. Nagpur. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. Which is the country that has never been a slave to anyone? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Thailand. Correct answer is C. Thailand. Do you know which country does not have a single temple? A. Vatican City, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Somalia. Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which is the largest animal on earth? A. African elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe. Correct answer is B. Blue whale. Which annual fair is famous for trade? A. Pushkar Mela, B. Kumbh Mela, C. Sonpur Mela. Correct answer is A. Pushkar Mela. What is the full form of CPU? A. Central Processing Unit, B. Control Programming Unit, C. Common Processing Unit. Correct answer is A. Central Processing Unit.